Hello everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received a brand new office chair and I think that it's really nice because it has a really nice dark blue color. We get the instruction manuals and as you can see it has a wide seat which I think that is going to be really nice. So let me take everything out of the box, start assembling it and let's see how it looks, okay? Come on! Okay guys, as you can see the assembly process is actually really simple. The instructions are really clear and you get all the pieces that you're gonna need to do the installation, all the screws and even the hardware, which I think that it's really nice, all the tools, which makes it for a really simple installation that doesn't take that much long. Okay guys, as you can see it's already assembled up. As you can see it has this really nice and soft texture. It has a beautiful color and it even has this cushion that I think that it's great. And as I've said, it's really wide so you don't have to worry and it's really comfortable. You can adjust the height of it with the lever and you can also adjust the tilt if you want it a little bit less tilty or if you want it more. Okay, so overall I think that it's really nice. As you can see it doesn't take that much long to assemble it up. It's really simple to set it up and it's really beautiful. It has a nice texture and overall I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. Thank you guys.